Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we have the Big Bro Assemble, part of the Big Bro series. This is one of the 3 balls I have from the Big Bro line. I really like them a lot. This one here should be like a replacement for the Jack. The Jack is a retired one of the earlier balls out by Swag with the core. This one has a different cover stock. This one has the up one cover, and the numbers on this one are 2.506, different to 0.052, and even different to 0.017. I've used it in league once. I really like it. I really like to see it put out some more oil, see how it rolls. But we're going to check out today on some used house shot and see how it rolls. See y'all on the link. So we're going to stand on 10 and we're going to throw it on 5. I know it's going to hook, but I just want to see. The last shot I said was on 10 going on 5. I was actually on 15 going on 5. We're going to stand on 20 and go down to 7. That's more like 6. Okay, we're gonna move to 25, and let's go up 10. Nice spot for it. This is gonna be a ball, first ball off the bag. Okay, let's move over some more. Let's go to 30 and go up 17. I'm sorry, go up 12. Okay, now we're gonna go to 40. And we're gonna go up 15. Missed on the wrong side, we're gonna try that again. We're gonna go 40 again. And let's go 40 to 12. Get it on a little bit more. Oh, that's a 7 pin. Now, I'm not one to play the ball rack, but we're gonna move it as far as we can over to the ball rack, and I'm gonna try to go up 15. I ain't got that on too much. Okay, let's go back to 30 and up 12. I think this is where the ball shines at right now for me. Oh, too much. Gotta get on the other side. Let's try to move to 35 there. Let me see. We're gonna be 35 up 12. Oh, we got it. So I threw some bonus shots I want you guys to check out. I wasn't really happy with the first shot of shots I threw. Check these out. Thank you. So there you go. That's the Big Bro symbol. Now available swag available at www.californiabowlingllc.com. Go check them out. See you later.